topic is subtraction. Generally, in Vedic Maths, subtraction is a bit different. When we solve such type of questions, suppose here we have to do, in general way, we have to do 4 minus 7. To do this, we have to take borrow. Because 4 is less than 7, we take borrow from here and make it 7. Now we'll make it this 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Again, 9 is greater than 7, we need borrow. We take it from here, 17. 17 minus 9 and 2 minus 2, 0. This is general way of solving. But in Vedic Maths, we have a different technique. Generally, we don't use the concept of borrowing. Let us solve the same example in Vedic Maths. Here, 4 is less than 7. So, you can't subtract 4 from 7. To solve in such situations, we use a technique where here 4 is less than 7. So, we make 4 as 14. Like, instead of 4, we make 4 as 14. As we have written 1 here, we have to write 1 here also. Here now you have to, now this 4 has become 14. Now 14 minus 7, 7. Now add these two. 9 plus 1, 10. So here value is 10. Again 8 is less than 10. So what you do is, as this whole is less than, is greater than 8. So you need to make this number larger than this. The only way to make is, instead of taking borrow from this, make this number from 8 to 18. As you have placed 1 here, place 1 here also. Now 18 minus 10, 9 plus 1, 10. 18 minus 10, the answer is 8. Now this value has become 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3 minus 3, 0. Here you don't need to use any trick because 3 minus 3 is 0. See, you get the same answer, 87, 87. Let us take another example. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, we have to use Vedic Maths trick. Add 10 to 2, it becomes 12. As you place 1 here, you have to place 1 here also. 12 minus 9, 3. Now this whole is 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 minus 4, 1 minus 1, 0. Now try to solve the same question in general way. 5 minus 4, 1. Here I take borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 9, it becomes 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. See, actually, borrowing concept is different, but the logic behind is the same. Here, instead of borrowing, you are making this as 12. If you borrow also, it will become 12 only. See, it is 12. Here we are not borrowing, but we are adding 10. Here also we are doing the same. You are adding 2 to 10, so it's becoming 12. Here we are just making it 12. Here also we are getting 12. Here, as we are borrowing from 9, we are making it as 8. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. But here we are not borrowing. But instead we are adding here 3 plus 1, 4. Now 9 minus 4 equals to 5. Here, as we are adding 1, overall from 9 minus you are subtracting 4 from 9. This 1 we are adding here and subtracting from here. So it's 9 minus 4, 5. Here you are subtracting from 9 itself. You are taking that 1 from here. Here you are adding 1. Here you are adding 1. But here you're taking 1 from here. Now you're making it. Now 8 minus 3 is also 5. See, you get the same result. Here you are from whole 9. You are subtracting only once here. Like from 9 you are subtracting 4. By adding 1 here, 3 becomes 4. You are subtracting at a time. Here you are subtracting that 1 from 9 and you are subtracting from 3. Either way it's the same. 9. Here you are doing 9 minus 3 minus 1. Here you take minus common. 9 minus 3 plus 1. 9 minus 4, 5. Here, this here we have to understand is rearranging of these digits is happening. See, you're subtracting 1 from 9, you're making it 8. So that means 9 minus 1. From here, you're subtracting from here, you're subtracting 3. So you have to write minus 3. First you're solving this 9 minus 1, 8 minus 3. You're getting the same. Just only rearranging of digits is happening. Here, there is no concept of borrowing. Hence, from 9, you're subtracting at a time. You're using minus operator only once. Here, you're taking minus common, you're making this as plus. Here, you're subtracting 2 times. Once here, once here, once here. Hence, you're getting borrowing concept. Here, there is no borrowing concept. That's why you're subtracting only once. Using this technique in larger numbers, your calculation becomes easy and faster. To make our calculation fast, Vedic Maths is the best option to use. It makes your calculation very fast. So it's better to use Vedic Maths for fast calculation. But you have to learn both the things, like you have to learn both the methods. You can use depending upon situation and depending upon the scenario. But to make your max fast, you make your calculation fast and you want to calculate it in the mind itself, then use Vedic Maths. Let us take one more number. Okay, 2 is less than 5. You can't subtract. So add 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Make this 2 as 12. As you used 1 here, write 1 here. 12 minus 5. 7. Now this number is 7 plus 1. 8. 3 is less than 8. You can't add. So add 10 to 3. It's become 13. So make this 3 into 13. Now as you used 1 here, write 1 here also. 13 minus 8. 5. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 9 minus 4, here there's no problem, so you can write it directly. 4 minus 1, 3. You got your answer. That's it for today's class. We will meet you in next video, and our next topic is multiplication. Till then, take care. Goodbye.